Sunday. Sunday fun day, right? I'm sitting here eating cookies, listening to the 50s. Anyway, what are we going to do today? Well, I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do. Let's take a look. Model A's uncovered. Steering box needs to be bolted up tight. Need to hook the steering arms up. Could probably do that. Could probably then throw a nice little 327 in it. That's right, it is a real 327. I'm not saying it's not a 350, I'm saying it's a 327. It's a 327. Could put that in, you know, could put that in there. Put the tranny in there. Maybe get some measurements in, get a dry shaft made. What do you think of that? That'd be something to do on a Sunday, wouldn't it? You know, got the dash sitting in there. There's my dash. So, yeah, is that what we're going to do today? I'll tell you what. I'll give you a big fucking hell yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Let's get this engine tranny set in this car, because I am sick and tired of seeing this damn thing laying around the shop. I want it out of here. Winter's coming. Fall is here. Winter's on the way. Even though we still got highs of 25 to 29. Bring it on. I'm loving this heat. But let's get this out of the way, because pretty soon we're going to be trapped indoors for 3 to 4 months because of old Mother Nature. Oh, I only got one word for you, Mother Nature. There it is. Right, anyway, that's the way it is. So, let's enjoy this Sunday fun day and let's get this engine in this car, and I will show you as I go along. Let's uncover this bad boy. Let's see what's going on here. It's been a while. Oh, she got some dust on her. Let's see, extra gaskets there. Of course, I ain't running those valve covers. You remember, we painted the block. Same color the car is going. Chinese all painted up black. Well, yeah. Yeah, there's lots of little things we can do. So, let's start there. Listening to our oldies and drinking a Coke out of a glass bottle. I'm working on a 31Coupe that's chopped. Okay, I got the steering box all bolted in tight, and I'm starting to put the engine in. I put the tranny mount on the engine beforehand. I got the linkage arm on the side of the tranny set up on it. And yeah, I'm just pushing her down inside there now. So that's all good. I had to, I dug out my pitman arm. Got my pitman arm on there. And then I got my drag link here. I was stuck for a bit because I couldn't find this piece. It's a little pivot ball or whatever you want to call it, and that goes up underneath on here. Alright, for your drag link to hook on, so it kind of matches that. Anyway, I couldn't find it. I was like, holy shit, what did I do with that? And then I realized I put it away with extra front end stuff that I had for the car. So, I never do throw anything out. I just sometimes misplace things. Anyway, so I'm going to set this camera down and get this engine in. Okay, she is, she's sitting down in there. Transmission is bolted in with the cross member. That's all done. I just got to tighten up the bolts here. I kept this car old school. If you remember when I got this car, it had a flathead in it. It had a flathead forward. So I could have cut and welded on the frame and put the small block Chevy mounts on it, which I know some of you are going to say, why didn't you do that? But I didn't want to. I want to keep this car like, I kept it with the hearse mount. I just wanted that old school look. It's just going to be a fun car. It's going to be a really fun car. I'm happy with the way I'm doing it. I have certain, everybody, you know what, you can't look at that and judge and say, well, I would have done it this way, that way. I mean, you can say you would have put the mounts in that way, but at the end of the day, we all have a vision of what we want to build. I'm building my vision, you're going to build your vision, and at the end of the day, that's what makes it cool, because we get ideas from each other, and we see different things. Like I said, I mean, if everybody built a Model A and put it on a set of 32 rails and chopped it 3 inches and all ran 327s, it'd be a pretty boring world, wouldn't it? You know, I mean, you got to have your chopped cars, you got to have your unchopped cars, you got to have your fendless cars, got to have the cars that are on a stock frame, got to have the cars that are flatheads, got to have the cars that are Hemis. You got to have everything a little different. It's just the way it is. So, if you see something and you're at a car show and you don't like the way the guy did it or something, there's no need to insult him or put him down. It's something you keep inside your own mind. It wasn't for me. I didn't really like that. But you always got to take away ideas from everything you see. And that's what hot rodding's about, in my opinion. Taking ideas away from everything you see. And we don't all want to have the same cars, because holy Christ, if we all had the same car, I don't think any of us would want to be hot rodders, right? We all want, every car that we build, this is how it is. At the end of the day, whatever you decide to build is a reflection of your personality. There you go. Okay? So, with that being said, I kept the hearse mount. Loving my Wimbledon white firewall. So, I got that all done. I'm going to tighten these down right now. I'm going to tighten those up. And then I'm going to see where I'm going to go next here. Plenty of clearance, if you guys are wondering. This is like a 48, 49 Ford pickup box. I got just enough clearance there. But if I ever want to take this box out, it ain't coming out with the engine in. That's the unfortunate thing. That was why when I got this car, the steering box seemed okay to me. I didn't see anything wrong with it. But I took it down and had the whole thing gone through anyway. Because I didn't want to all of a sudden be driving down the road and a year from now the steering box has a fucking issue with a bearing or something. So I just took it in, had the guys go through it. I said, hey, I can't get this thing out without pulling an engine out. So go through it. Even if the bearing looks like it's only got 25% wear or 10% wear, I don't give a shit. Just put it new. Be done with it. And that's what we did. Alright, well, let's continue on and see where else we get on this Sunday Fun Day. Okay, I'm getting a few things on. I can't believe it, you know. You guys all know, for those of you who've been watching, you know that I stopped this car for a good 3-4 months when I did the custom car. You know, I had everything boxed up and put away under my bench in the office, but you think you can find it now? It's impossible. Got the gas pedal in, back in there. Engine tranny are bolted down, good and tight. Got the pitman arm, I think I already showed you on the loose. There you go, got my valve covers sitting on there. Because I don't have my proper hold down to the valve covers. I got my Zips water pump adapter. What that does is bring the water pump up, more in the center of the rad. Got my lower pulley on there. Got my fuel block sitting there in place. Yes, she's running 4 carbs, if you all remember. So yeah, I got a few things on here. Got to take a break here for a moment. I got to go cut some grass. Yeah, that's right. Got to cut the grass. Got to do the chores. For those that have forgotten, for all my American fellows out there, it's Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving long weekend for us Canadians. So I got got a bunch of friends coming over tomorrow for Thanksgiving dinner. So I want to tidy up the lawn a bit and clean it up. So I'm going to go cut some grass, and if there's time, I'm going to come back out here and see what else we can get done. So I won't cut this video off yet, but it is 3 o'clock. Got started here a little late today, so but that's okay. Something is better than nothing. Remember that. If you guys building a car, even if you're only in the garage for an hour and a half or 2 hours, don't feel bad about it, because that's an hour and a half, 2 hours that is getting you that much further ahead. It takes time. So yeah, don't worry about it. Anyway, I'm gonna go fire up the John Deere. Yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, guys, I'm back from cutting the grass, and I had a little bit of time on the Model A, so I'm gonna call it a day now. But I did get something else done to it, but not a lot. But I'll show you. Got an intake on. Intake is on. Oil filler tube's in. Like I said, I got to get my proper hold downs. My valve covers are just sitting here right now, but intake is bolted right down. Got my old, that's the old PCV valve, was right there, the old blow-by system, this old motor. So I got that sitting there. So that is it for today. That is it for this Sunday Fun Day. I got a lot on the go, so I work during the day, and then in the evenings now I've been working on the 58 wagon a little bit here and there, because that's the daily driver, the family truckster. And Sundays are for my Model A. And I want to get this car painted. I want this car in for paint within the next 3 to 4 weeks. I want this car painted by the latest mid-November, and running mid-November. No interior, not all the goodies put on it, headlights and all that. You know, not together, but everything painted and engine so it starts. But it really shouldn't take much. So next step, I guess next Sunday, is starter, transmission pan, tranny cooler lines, because I got a tranny cooler underneath the frame rail. I'm going to run all my gas lines up here. Water pump, pulleys, fan. Obviously I can't put the rad in because I got to paint it still. But get that kind of stuff done. Put my insulation on my firewall inside. Then I come out my fuse panel. Oh, I got the gas pedal in. Don't know if I showed you that. Gas pedal sitting there waiting to be hooked up. Just little things. I can get the steering in. I did find this thing. Remember I said I'd lost it? Well, I didn't say I lost it. I misplaced it. This is what I'd misplaced. There it is. So that goes up and on here. All right, and then I can hook up my steering rod, which is laying right there. And you can see I got some screwdrivers still shoved in. So the back half of the car is not bolted down yet. That's just holding it in line. But the front half's all bolted down. So there we go, guys. That's it. 31 Model A Coupe, chopped 3 inches, 327, 30 over, 4 deuces, 202 heads. I don't know what else to tell you. Yeah, it should go. Should be able to do a burnout maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, that's it. Okay, hey. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember, it's always a hell of a good time here at Old Time Garage. See you next time.